Today, we're going to make the Tantive 4 using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
All you have to do is take a 1x1 plate with ring clip on side and a 1x1 tile with clip on top and put them together like this. And then there's a small little hole in the side there, but that's easily hidden just by kind of turning it to different angles. So this design really works well with like a larger mock that you might be creating or stop motion films where you can manipulate those angles. And of course, you do want engines, so we're going to put a 1x1 round translucent blue plate on the back there so we can have our Tantive 4 fleeing a Star Destroyer as it escapes with the plans for the Death Star.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.